right, guys, so as you can see, we got the driveway started and we've got the concrete floor in the garage, in the shop. So this is what it looks like right now. The gate's been torn out. That was right here. This is all the gate stuff. It's gonna have to be taken off, hauled off. That bush is staying. That pole is gonna go, and there's gonna be gravel all down the side down there. And there's gonna be a gate right there blocking the side off. This is what it's looking like pulling into the shop. Still got to cut the window out up there, the door, the man door on the side, the window there, and then the garage doors have to go in. So obviously we don't have brick yet. We needed to lay down some construction gravel here, some of this DGA to get packed in so we can bring the brick truck back and get the brick delivered. But the framing's been done, as you know. So this is what it looks like right here. Let me go over here and show you the inside. So this is what the inside looks like right now. So it's still got a long way to go. So not sure where we left off at on the video, but decided to go back to 9.5 foot ceilings. I think I told you guys that. So this is 2 feet of block and was supposed to be a 10-foot 2x4s studs on the wall, but they're actually down to about 7.5 feet now because the 12 feet was just way too tall, dwarfed the houses in the neighborhood, and it just didn't look right. So we did the 9.5 foot ceilings from floor to ceiling. The steps still have to go in on that back wall to go up to the second floor. We do have floor joists in, as well as the OBS or OSB. OBS, you can tell I'm used to talking about the old body style trucks. But the OSB is on the floor for the flooring. There's a little cubby hole there to get upstairs. I'll show you guys a picture from that side looking this way now. So this is a picture I took when I crawled up there a couple days ago. It's going to be unfinished storage as well as a shop. I'm sorry, an office back there. So, but yeah, so down here, the stairs still have to go in. There's gonna be a closet door behind the stairs. The stairs are no longer going to be 36 inches wide. Instead, they're going to be 30 inches wide. So just because of the nature of how short this garage is. But that's what it looks like. You can see here they've got the water piped into the garage. So that's into the garage instead of into the wall because I want it to be more insulated. We're going to pop it out of the wall there and put a water spigot out here for washing cars. The electrical is going to go in. These 2 pipes are going to get cut off because the footer was poured before those were put in place. So those are going to get cut off. And then you see those other 2 pipes down there. The electrical is going to go in there and up and then into the electrical panel where that pink right there is. So let's take a walk around the back and the side. Again, the ground here is going to get leveled up all the way around and then slope off from the shop. So all that big pile of dirt that I have over there is going to get leveled out over here. That shed is going to go where the gravel is there that you see, except it's going to go to where we're looking at the shed door this way. So the shed's going to go a long ways that way, right there. This is going to come up right there for the 8-foot garage doors, 8 foot wide, 7 foot high garage door. There's going to be a window up there as well where the office is going to be. Yeah, so it's coming together pretty nice. You can see all the way through to the truck out there. And there is going to be a back gate. These 2 gates that I pulled out from the front up there, these metal gates are going to have new wood planks put on, and there's going to be a gate here as well as a gate up there to block off this area where we're going to have the AC unit, and then the 2 trash cans up front hidden behind the gate. So yeah, that's what it's like. So making some progress. Should be doing electrical and bricking this week from what I've been told. It's been a slow going with the weather. We've had some really sharp cold spells, cold snaps come through. So we haven't done a lot of work on it, but that's okay. I'm in no rush. I just want it done. I want it done right. So I did purchase a black metal aluminum like gate fence that I'm going to put right here. So it's going to go from the house to here. And then all this will be driveway right there. And it's got to be the exposed aggregate like we have up front on the front driveway. All those bushes were torn out along the house there to make room for the driveway. This should be a 2-car wide driveway right here. And then you're gonna open up into the 2-car garage. So it's a little bit offset, and that's okay. We had to stay 5 feet off of the property line. We're actually 5.5 feet, but you can see there, it's not a whole lot cut off. You have plenty of room to pull in there. And I'm gonna have my cabinets and stuff on this side wall over here. So you're not gonna pull up close to the side of the garage over here anyway. You're gonna more or less be right in the middle area here. It's gonna be tight for 2 cars, but I think I can make it work because I'm not planning on putting a bunch of crap in here and shoving a bunch of storage stuff in the garage. That's what we have the attached garage for. So, all right, that's a short little update on the shop build series, coming along slowly. Thanks, guys. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna wrap this thing up here pretty soon. The next video I'm hoping will be brick and electrical. All right, stay tuned.